This is going to be my second trade for today. This is USD card. The signal just pop up, and as you can see very well, here is a pivot. This blue line is a pivot line and also a support line. Look at the blue block that is formed on top of this pivot line. So that makes it to be a support line. And if you look up, you will see a resistant line, the red line. You will see a red line, then you will now see the block. Okay, now look at the blue line, then look at the block that is forming, then look at the arrow. That is just the condition of this trading system. Okay, so it pops up, I take my trade in 3 candles to 4 candles expiration. The first trade this morning was already won, Euro JPY. The one I took, though many trades have already gone in the morning, one while I was sleeping. So I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to show you the results once it is done. The trade has already been placed. As you can see here, USD card. The previous one was Euro JPY 1, USD card 1. So let's wait for this trading system for the trade to be completed. So you are going to see the results. So some minutes ago, this trade was initiated. I mistakenly stopped the video, the first video. I mistakenly finished it, clicked on finish button. So I had to continue it here. Remember, I told you when this arrow pops up, when it popped up, these are the 2 candles that has formed afterward. This is the last candle, which is I'm having just 3 minutes to the end of this trade. The trade was opened on binary.com. It will be my second trade, and I'm going to be showing both the first and second trade to you at the end of this trading. So the choice is yours. I don't believe in too much show me, show me, show me. When I see something that works, I know. When I see something that works, I know. I'm not actually making this video to persuade anybody, but it's been me. It's been my my nature. Whenever I'm trading, I occasionally make video tutorial for my members to see, for people out there to see. So I'm not making this video to compel anybody to buy or to believe me. Okay? No, not at all. As far as I'm concerned, MMBM for life. Money must be made. Thanks for watching. I'm going to place this video on a pause until the trade finishes. So we are having less than 1 minute to the end of this trade. So just as I have said, we are going to be seeing the trades I've taken so far in previous days and the 2 trades I've taken this morning. Okay, the trade has ended. So let's take a look at the results. As I said earlier, the first trade I took this morning was Euro JPY. You can see the Euro JPY here. This very trade there was Euro JPY. Then the one I just finished taking now, I told you it was USD CAD. That is USD card. And as you can see it here. Now look at last week Friday. These were part of the trades I took. You can check the date yourself. Today is February the 8th. Friday was February the 5th. Look at part of the trades. Okay? So, the choice is yours, either to believe or not. Money must be made. This is the Boss binary system, and my name is Odeyemi Akinyemi. Check me out on my Telegram to join the winning group. Thank you, and God bless you.